Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from TrustFire. Now this here is their L2 Pro. Now I was sent this by them directly. They wanted me to feature it here, test it on my channel. Comes in this box. Now they do have a little specs chart. You can run a 14500 or a regular AA battery in this. With the 14500 you get up to 1100 lumens on the highest output. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause screen. Otherwise, let's get this open, see what's in. User manuals. There we go. It's kind of jammed up in there. Looks like it was folded. Let's go ahead and take a look here. This is going to be multi-language. Front and back. Now here's a light chart. It's got a little bit more information. As you can see there, 1100 lumens is the highest. Now if you need more time to read all those, go ahead and pause screen. Otherwise, let's go ahead and move along. One extra O-ring, it's already one on the light. USB Type-C charging cable, one small lanyard, and let's go ahead and grab the light. Oh, I like the green, my favorite color. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. There it is. Compact. Let's go ahead and take this off of here. This is a reminder warning that there is a protection piece on the battery. You need to remove it right away. There is a two-way clip on here. There it is. I was kind of reading this. Looks like the charging port cover is hidden. Nice. No water's going to get in there, or dust. Smooth body, even though there are some grooves on it, they're really smooth. Small enough for everyday carry. Casual carry this, or you can tactically do it as well. Compact. Tail clicky there. You can remove this if you don't want it on there. Style and design on this is nice. I like the fact that the head of the light is a little bit wider than the rest of the body. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the smooth reflector. See the LED? They don't say what LED is in this light. And it doesn't look familiar to me, so I'm not too sure, but there's no dome on it. And the machining and finish on this is nice. Lanyard hole there. Alright, well now let's go ahead and open it up, and I'll show you the battery that it comes with. Start off with the spring. There's the protection piece here that you want to remove. Also save them, because they come in handy when you want to store the light for long periods of time. Now this here is a protected cell. Protection here on the bottom. This is a 14500. I believe it's 900 milliamp. Protected cell, button top. You can use any AA cell on this as well. It's going to be less light output. And you want to use button top 14500s as well. There's no spring on the head of the light. Let's get it all back together. Now let's go through the UI. UI, pretty straightforward. Full press on and off, 3 light levels, or you can half press and hold it, and once you have it on the light output that you want, full press it. Half press and hold is definitely the thing to do. Now you can't pressure switch this, but you can tactically use it. Set it up for that highest output. Let's take a look here at the beam. Nice combination beam on here. A large hot spot, a lot of bleeding around the edge of that. It's got a pretty good cutoff there. You can double half press to get strobe, and that is a constant rate on the flash, and it is distracting. One full click turns it off, and you're back to the regular UI. Pretty straightforward, easy to operate this, nothing difficult. Feels rugged. Definitely compact enough for everyday carry. Well, let's go ahead and take this L2 Pro out. See how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness and the wind with the TrustFire L2 Pro. Go and get started here in the water spout. 38 feet from where I'm standing. Lowest level of the UI. There's the beam on the fence, give you an idea. Sorry about the wind. We've had just amazing, but hot triple digits one day, and now we're down into the 60s and upper 50s at night. You can see the good beam distance here, even at this light level. Let's go to the next level, see how it does. Definitely a nice combination beam on this. Now, I have a link to my testing area out here should you have any questions or doubts. 138 feet to the famous Tree of Life. Again, 38 feet to that water spout, and then 65 feet here to this tree. So that's impressive. Fence line, tree line. and the fact that you can run a AA battery on this as well. Let's go ahead and do next level here on this famous tree of life. Look at that hot spot, just takes up that whole tree, almost. And it is faintly making those palm trees, but the beam is so wide, or the hot spot is a large one. That is impressive. Show it to you again there, both of them. Kind of faint on it, not super bright at that end. 238 feet behind 138 feet here, making those trees way out there. There's the playground across the park there, you can see that. Man, I don't know what LED is in here, but it's doing really good. Still beam profile here. Head back over here to the famous tree of life. Impressive. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Nice beam performance, especially for its size. The power is impressive. 1100 lumens is more than enough for most applications. The medium and low settings are going to give you the best run time with this battery. The color of the body is nice. I like the green. My understanding, it does come in other colors, so that's another nice thing. So if you're not, a fan of green, you could check out the other colors they have. Nice build quality on here overall. Not seeing any issues. Pretty straightforward, easy to operate this. The USB charging port is hidden. I like that. Definitely does keep water out a little bit better. The LED, not sure which LED it is, but it does just fine. It's got some good range on it, especially for this size. You can use the regular AA battery, 1.5 volt. It's going to be substantially less in light output. Does have kind of a tactical feel to it. It is compact enough to be able to carry this, hide it away in your pocket with no issues. Well, I want to thank TrustFire for sending me this L2 Pro to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, I will leave a link down below the video, including a special discount code to where you can get this kit, just in case you're interested. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from TrustFire to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.